where I'm like, oh well, if we can build this summarizer, right? And Monica will understand what I'm talking about when I'm talking about Selenium or Playwright or whatever, right? But you can say, run the script to go to different news sites, right? So let's say you say go to NBC, CNN, Fox, whatever, right? And then you say, all right, take the find this part on the page where it's like the top news stories, right? And gather those links and save that to a list, right? And then loop through each one of those pages, gathering the content like we did, and getting the summary and outputting that, right? So that way you end up building, like, let's say you build your own application. You don't want to go and read through a bunch of news, stuff like that. You don't have the time for it. You're busy. You're actually learning LLM, ethical hacking, DevOps, all that good, Python, all that good stuff. So you don't have time to go follow all the news, right? But you can apply what you're learning by building a web page summarizer where you're using Selenium, right, or whatever, and using Beautiful Soup to input that to intake that information, and you're building your own app. Does it exist? Probably, but you can do it for yourself. And now you go in every morning and you take the top news stories and you build your own thing so that you can have your coffee, read your news summary to see what's important while you are working, right? While you're getting ready for work, whatever. And then you can even deploy it on wherever, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and that way, when you're on your phone.
The sign is real simple, B. It says wrap it up.
I got you. We're gonna wrap it up. But let me finish this, right? So you can use that for like now you have it on your phone. You have it mobile friendly. Everything that I talk about here, right? There are so many different ways to apply it. If you're learning front-end development, right? You're still gonna have to know some Docker and containerizing. You're still gonna have to know some DevOps. You're going to you might need to know like some how to crawl a website and stuff like that, so that you can actually build something comprehensive, something useful. And guess what? If you find value in it, right? You can have it where you can provide it to other people, and they might find value in it as well. And then you can say, oh, you know what? Maybe I can add some type of like paywall to some of it, or maybe some type of subscription. Like, who knows? I don't know. But there's so many different ideas. There's so many different ideas on what you can do just from this very, very simple, basic day one implementation of the web page summarizer. So I am excited. I say let's cheer ourselves on.
We the best.
I think we did a great job today. I'm gonna check the chat before we get out of here, but then Monday we're gonna finish reading through this Jupyter Labs notebook that we're going through, and then we're gonna get into day 2. All right. So let me see what the chat is saying.
We slanging massive code. We slanging massive code. We slanging massive code. We slanging massive code. Learned the code while the city slept tight. Now I'm slinging lines that spark like late night. From Python webs to TypeScript skies. React in my veins and APIs that rise. Keyboard clacking, I'm stacking gold. Syntax flows like stories untold. Drinking caffeine, I breathe it in cold. From morning dawn till the night unfolds.
My code goes long, my code goes deep. Caught in the stream where the data don't sleep. Need my digits, better call my line. Slinging massive code like a story time.
In the hustle jungle where the bytes meet still. Digital canvas where I paint and fill. JavaScript whispers in the code I weave. Tech dreams blossom in the lines I conceive. Lines so slick they can't be caught. Variables twist in every plot. Python powers every thought. JavaScript legit, hitting the right spot. My code goes long,
my code goes deep. Caught in the stream where the data don't sleep.
Need my digits,
better call my line. Slinging massive code like a story time.
Stacks on stacks, build my empire tall. Debugging dreams where the errors fall. Lines of brilliance break the darkest night. Script so dope, you can see me in the light.
TypeScript, magic on my fingertips. Reacts to canvas where logic flips. API dances syncing clips. My code's a song where data drips. My code goes long, my code goes deep. Caught in the stream where the data don't sleep.